Hi, Stella.
Hi.
Looks like you finished.
Yeah.
It came out amazing.
Mhm.
Love it.
Yeah.
So, tell us a little bit about it again. What did you do?
Well, we put a chalkboard paint on it,
Mm-hmm.
and then we did layers of that, and then we put a chalk on it, like,
To season it.
yeah, and on the sides we
Sanded it.
sanded it, yeah.
Where would you put this mirror? Any ideas?
Like maybe in your room, your bedroom, and you could write stuff on it. And your friends, so you can write stuff on it too.
I love that.
Maybe in your kitchen, and you could write like recipes or maybe stuff that you need to like buy at the grocery store.
Right.
Yeah.
I love that. You know where this would be really cool? At a wedding, right? For everyone to sign, or a shower. But yeah, a dorm room. I think that would be a great idea. I think you did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Looks really great. Well, job well done. High five it.